So while we are waiting for the Hamster Kombat to list their tokens and launch the airdrop for all CEOs to be able to cash out our earnings from the platform. So I just want to use the moment to show you how you can withdraw your money from your Hamster Kombat to your bank account in Nigeria, all right? But before I show you that, let me just quickly explain about Hamster Kombat for those who are just learning about this platform for the very first time. Hamster Kombat is a Telegram-based crypto game where you get to earn free coins simply by tapping your screen like this, just like this, all right, and also performing other tasks on the app that's inside the gaming platform. Okay, and the Hamster Combat team has said that players will be rewarded with token airdrop when the coin is fully listed on various crypto exchange for trading. Okay, if you want to join Hamster Combat and see if you can get to participate in this platform, it's not too late to join, even though the platform has been running since around April this year. I'll leave a link for you to sign up and create your own Hamster Combat account. It's a Telegram based platform, so you just simply download a Telegram app. Telegram is just a messaging app, just like your WhatsApp. Just download Telegram, all right, then just click on the link in the description. It will just open the Hamster Kombat on inside your Telegram. Nobody knows the actual value, that's the actual dollar value of one Hamster token when the coin is finally listed for trading. So but it's always advisable for you to amass as much Hamster coins inside the app, as well as the profit per hour. Amass as much as possible before the actual airdrop distribution. You need to make sure that your account is properly set up so that when the airdrop is launched, you'll be able to withdraw your money to your bank account. So what you do is you come to this airdrop button here, you click on it. Okay, so what you need to do at this point is that you will need to connect your Ton wallet, because Hamster has said that they will be launching the Hamster tokens on the Ton network, that's on the Ton blockchain. So you need to get a Ton wallet. So just click on this connect your Ton wallet. Okay, now, so if you are doing this for the first time, you will need to connect your Ton wallet, because it is with your Ton wallet you'll be able to use to withdraw your Hamster tokens. All right, so if I click on this connect your Ton wallet, you'll be able to select from various supported Ton wallets that Hamster Kombat has offered. So if you see, all of them are here, but I'll just recommend you take this Ton Keeper. If you are doing it for the first time, you'll be required to download the Ton Keeper app. All right, just you can go to your Google Play Store or your App Store on your device, all right, and just search for Ton Keeper. You'll be able to download it and install. Okay, so just click on this Ton Keeper. Okay, so now you can see that I already have the Ton wallet on my device. Okay, so you just simply take on the wallet here, just select it. Okay, so click this connect wallet button here. So if I just enter my passcode here, so you can see that I have successfully connected my Ton wallet to my Hamster Kombat. Okay, so once the airdrop is ready and my Hamster tokens are sent to me, you just easily transfer it to your Ton wallet. So now that is the first step you need to do, guys, on this withdrawing your Hamster tokens to your bank account. Now the next thing you need to do is to set up your Ton wallet. Let me just go to my Ton Keeper here. So you can see that this is my Ton Keeper app here, and you can see that I have some money in my wallet on the Toncoin. So now I want to use this moment to explain about this gas fee, because there has been a lot of misconception and misunderstanding. Toncoin is the network that we are using. That is the network that Hamster Kombat said they are going to use to pay all the CEOs. That's after the token has been launched. You can see the first row here is Toncoin. You can see USDT. Then you see another row is going to have Hamster, which is likely HMSTR. That's the symbol for the Hamster token. So now when we receive the Hamster tokens in our wallet, you can do two things. It's either you sell the Hamster tokens straight up to another exchanger, or you simply swap it to USDT, or you can swap it to Toncoin. All right, so now for you to transfer the Hamster tokens to another Hamster user or to an exchanger, or for you to swap the Hamster tokens to either USDT or Toncoin, you will need what we call the gas fee. So that the gas fee is just like the transaction fee that you pay when you want to send money from one person to another. So no matter the kind of platform you are using, or even if you are using your bank account, for you to transfer money from your account to another beneficiary, you need to pay a kind of transaction fee or transfer fee. So that's what they call the gas fee. So that fee is only paid in ton. You can only pay that fee in ton, not in Hamster tokens. You get, because Hamster token is just the contract on the Ton network. Okay, so now for you to get that gas fee, you will need to have some amount of Ton coin in your wallet. All right, so which is exactly what you are seeing here. You may not need up to $14, most likely maybe just $2 or less than $2, or let's say $3, depending on the network congestion as at the time that you want to do the transfer. Now for you to get the gas fee, which is Toncoin, there are two ways that you can get it. Number one is if for you to buy Toncoin from a reputable exchanger in Nigeria, all right, and that is where our company comes in. Our company is called Soget.com. Okay, so you can see, guys, our site is called Soget.com, and we are a reputable exchanger for digital currencies in Nigeria, and we deal on various digital currencies such as Perfect Money, USDT, Bitcoin, AstroPay, InstaForex, and most necessary now is Toncoin. All right, so on Soget.com you can actually buy Toncoin. So what you just need to do is simply register an account. All right, so just register an account. So once you've registered your account, then you can then sign into your account on Soget, so for you to just place your order for Toncoin. All right, so once you've gotten inside the Soget account, you just simply place order to buy Toncoins. The exchange rate that we sell or buy Toncoin, we always display it on the home page. So that's the first option. All right, let's say you don't want to use Soget.com. The other option you can use is to use a platform called ByBit. So on ByBit you can use what we call the ByBit P2P. Okay, and ByBit is just a very popular crypto trading platform. If you are just hearing about ByBit, I recommend you create an account on ByBit. All right, and I'll leave the link for you to create an account on ByBit in the description of this video, just at the bottom of this video. Okay, because you'll be needing ByBit if you want to really get the maximum benefit from your Hamster Kombat. Okay, so you can just use the P2P trading on ByBit. You simply buy USDT, because you can't buy the Toncoin directly on the P2P. You have to first buy USDT on the P2P on ByBit. So when you buy the USDT, then you can then swap it to Toncoin instantly inside your ByBit. All right, so that's what you see here. Let me just show you. Okay, so if I come to my asset section here and just check the funding. Okay, so you can see this is just where you have your, so once you buy your USDT, you can easily swap it to Toncoin just simply by clicking on this convert button here. Okay, you can see, then you can see USDT, then just select Ton. You see Ton here, just search for Ton. Okay, so just search for Ton. So this is just how you'll be able to convert your, let's say I want to convert this, just do this and just use just the, you can see, so from here I can easily swap USDT to Ton. All right, so this is just click on the confirm button, but I won't be doing that for now because I'm just showing you the process. When you receive the Ton in your ByBit wallet, then you can then withdraw it. You withdraw the Ton from your ByBit, and you just simply add your Ton address here. You can see this is my address, so just simply copy the Ton address here and then withdraw the Ton from your ByBit to your Ton keeper wallet. So now guys, let's say when you receive your Hamster tokens and you successfully swap it to either Toncoin or USDT, and then you want to then cash out to your bank account in Nigeria. It's very simple, very simple. As usual, I'll give you two methods. So the first method again is, if you can head onto our website, If you simply head onto our website, you can easily sell your Toncoins. You can see the exchange rate you are buying Toncoin at the time of this video. And if you decide that you don't want to sell Toncoin, let's say you decided to swap your Hamster to USDT on the Ton network, you can also as well come to our website suget.com. That means you're going to sell USDT. Either of them is very okay by us. You can buy USDT, you can buy Toncoin. You can just register an account, all right, then sign into your Suget account and just place your order to sell your Toncoin. Once you send your Toncoin or you send your USDT, then within 5 minutes, we'll simply convert the amount you send to Nigerian Naira based on the current exchange rate we are dealing on, and will pay to your bank account in Nigeria. Within 5-10 minutes, you should get your alert depending on your bank network in Nigeria. Let's go back to this Tonkeeper. So let's say you don't want to use Suget to sell your Toncoins or your USDT. Let's say you want to use ByBit. You can as well go to your ByBit here. All right, you go to your ByBit, and this time you need to first of all deposit the Toncoin or the USDT into your ByBit wallet, as you are seeing like this. Then once the funds get to your ByBit, you can then proceed to the P2P section as I showed you previously. Then this time just click on sell. All right, then I click on sell. Then you look for the right trader to sell your USDT to. Remember, on the ByBit P2P, you can only sell USDT. So if you send Toncoin to your ByBit wallet, then you need to swap your Toncoin to USDT. So it's the USDT you'll be able to sell on the ByBit P2P, and you receive Naira to your bank account. Okay, now this P2P is a different topic on its own. I've actually done a step-by-step guide on how to buy or sell USDT on the ByBit platform, and that video is very detailed tutorial. I'll just leave the link to that video in the description. And as I mentioned, if you don't have an account on ByBit, you can check the description part of this video for you to just click the link to sign up and create your own account on the ByBit platform. So guys, that will be all for the tutorial about the withdrawal of your Hamster tokens to your bank account. I hope you've gotten the process now, and please let me know in the comment section when you believe Hamster Kombat is going to launch their airdrops so that we can cash out our money. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can always receive more content like this in future. Thank you once again for your time, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.